Today I would like to show you how to add an object to our dashboard. And an object itself is divided into three types. The first one is account, the second one is keyword, and the third one is hashtag. So if you want to add some accounts on our dashboard, you can just click social profile over here, and then you need to choose the type of the platform like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and also YouTube. So this is for example, and then you can just type the username of the account that you want to monitor. For example, I click Adidas and also click save. And for another case, if you want to add some keywords or hashtags, you can just click here. As you can see, there are two types or two options over here. The first one is keyword, the second one is the hashtag. So if you want to add some keywords, you can just click the platform over here. There are two options for keywords analysis. The first one is Twitter and the second one is YouTube. So this is for example, I'll just add another keywords. So there will be some stream previews over here. There are all of the posts on Twitter containing the Adidas keyword. And if you need some more relevant data, you can just click here to use our filter features. You can add some includes, excludes, or even some specific regions or languages. So this is for example, if you want to add includes like shoes, so the data will be filtered containing the Adidas keyword and also shoes keywords. And then another one, if you want to add some hashtags to our dashboard, you can just click here. And again, you need to choose the types of the platform. For the hashtag itself, there are three options. The first one is Twitter, the second one is Instagram, and the third one is YouTube. So this is for example Twitter, and also I will add some keywords like Nike. So those are the stream previews that containing hashtag Nike. After that, you can just click save over here. So after you add some keywords, hashtag, and also account, our dashboard will monitor and analyze all of the data containing those three objects. So that's all for adding some objects to our dashboard.